Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about the continuation of the Arctic. The Arctic ocean abounds with plants and animal life. The tundra is the home of many animals. All these animals and plant life have been able to adjust to the often extremely cold weather of the Arctic winters. For Yukon, Alaska is the coldest part of the United States in winter. It can be 40 to 50 degrees below zero, but in summer there has been a record high temperature for Yukon 100 degrees. Ordinarily, summer temperature averages a little under 50 degrees. The Arctic summer is from 2 to 5 and half a month long depending on the particular area, just as in winter, there is very little sun. During the summer, there are long hours of sunlight. Because of this, plants in the Arctic zone grow much larger than the same kind do in the other parts of the world. The animals best suited to the Arctic climate are caribou and reindeer. These are almost exactly alike. The caribou probably migrated from Asia in prehistoric times, and the reindeer were imported from Russia in 1892. A small herd of 16 has now multiplied until there are millions of reindeer. Both are valuable for their meat and hides, as are most cousins. The most cousins also provide very fine wool. There are also polar bears, seals, walrus, foxes, and many birds. When the summer comes to the Arctic, the birds return from the south. Small lakes are made by the Darwin ice. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This was all for tonight. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.